everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to film a quick tutorial on how I refilled my lash extension. As you guys can see, my other eye is finished, but I am going to go ahead and film my left eye for you guys to see. I will be addressing some of the questions that you guys left for me. I know there is a bunch of them. Unfortunately, I won't get to every single question, but I will definitely address some of the common questions that I've been getting. Before I jump into the video, I am going to quickly just go over some of the products that I will be using today. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, and yeah, let's get started. I do have like a little storage or bag that I keep all of my lash extension tools and materials. As you guys can see here, I keep some of my cleaning brushes here. This is what I will be using to help clean my lash extensions. I have some extra spoolies here. This is the glue that I will be using in today's video. And as you guys can see here, I have some extra materials in here. For example, some of these glue dots. These are so nice because if you don't know where to place your lash extension glue, I highly recommend these if you're not using like those glue rings. And what's really nice is that it includes like these little spandex thingy where you can store like your bottles or anything that you want that fits there. Yeah, so this is really nice. If you guys are interested in this bag or what I'm using, again, I will link it down below for you guys. You guys have been asking me, how do you continue to apply the lashes when the fume from the glue is so strong? One of my biggest tip, and I honestly don't know if they recommend this, but I've been doing this for quite a long time, so this is a trick that has been working for me. I have been using this fan here to help me blow away the fumes when I am applying the lash extension. This has 3 modes that you can set it to. I typically keep it on high when I am applying my lash extensions. I place this in a position that would blow directly towards my eyes to help blow away the fume. This makes it so much more manageable when I apply my lash extensions. If you are using a fan of this size, it will create circulation in the room, so it can end up drying your lash extension glue a little bit quicker. But for me, I do not have an issue with that at all, just because this really helps. It really helps me blow away the fumes when I apply the lash extensions. I know some of you guys have been also asking me, how do I apply my lash extension when using like a regular mirror? Is so difficult to visually see the natural lashes very up close. So I do have like one of these magnifying mirrors to give me a more up close and personal view of my natural lashes. This is gonna definitely help you with the isolation and the placement of your lash extension. If you have very good placement, your retention is likely going to be very high, meaning that your lashes are gonna last so much longer. The glue that I will be using today is by Stacy Lash. This is their sensitive lash extension glue. I really like this glue because of the drying time and the retention that I get from using this glue. I do now I typically jump from 2 different glues. I will make sure to show you a quick image here on what it looks like, but these are the 2 glues that I typically jump from. I do have to share that I also use Stacy Lash shampoo. I really like their shampoo because it is fragrance free, and it also says no irritation and no burning, which I very much do agree that none of that happens for me. And again, it has no fragrance. The lash extension that I will be using in today's video is by Quee, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Please let me know if I'm not pronouncing it correctly in the comments. But this is the lashes. I love these lashes so much because number one, these are double D curls. The thickness is 0.7 millimeter and the length is 14 millimeter. I am and will be using 14 millimeters all around my lashes. One thing I really have to share about this product is that these lashes, when they get wet, they hold their curls so well. I have used lashes in the past that don't hold up the curl very well, and it just turns flat and straight, which is not flattering at all with my eyes. But yes, you can go ahead and remove a strip from the packaging and then go ahead and apply it to something like this if you want. I've been using this and I've purchased this I think quite a few months ago, but I love it so much. It just makes my life so much easier because it helps make sure that I am not moving so much when I'm applying my lashes, and it just makes it more comfortable knowing that I have my glue and my lashes together like this. I've had accidentally applied glue to the glass before, but you can easily remove it off by simply washing the glass tray. If you guys want to do that, and instead of using a glue dot. One of the most important things when applying lash extension is the tweezers that you will be using. So these are the tweezers that I will be using in today's video. As you guys can see, they are both curled tweezers. As you guys can see, one is bigger than the other. I like to use the smaller tweezer, curl tweezer, to make my fans, and the bigger one to help me isolate my natural lashes. To make sure everything is nice and blended, I highly recommend that you use a spoolie throughout your application process. Once I apply the lash extension, I let it sit for an extra 2 or 3 seconds before I go in and brush into my lashes. This is going to make sure that each lash extension that I apply has proper placement and it is fully glued on. In today's video, I will not be using any lash extension tape just because I'm starting to get more comfortable with applying without them. But if you are having a difficult time viewing your natural lashes, even when you do have one of the magnifying mirrors, I highly recommend that you guys use some lash extension tape. The lash extension tape is going to help you get a better visual. For example, if you are needing a better view of your natural lashes because they tend to go down, you can use the tape to lift up your lashes or even towards the inner or the outer corner of your eyes. Once I finish applying the lash extension, I am going to not wet my lashes for up to 48 hours, which reminds me, you don't want to apply any lash extension unless you've thoroughly cleaned your lashes. So yes, before I jump into my application process, I did clean my lashes before I cleaned my natural lashes and the lash extension before I started refilling my lashes. This is going to make sure your dirt or any oil is removed so that you kind of have like a fresh, clean start. Okay, so now that I have the fan dipped in the glue, I am gonna go ahead and start applying, starting out in the inner corner again. I do want to share, you guys have been asking me if I apply the lash extension on top or underneath. I apply my lash extensions underneath my natural lashes just because I have a better visual from looking underneath than from looking from above. So I do apply my lash extensions underneath my natural lashes. You can apply underneath or on top of your lashes as long as you have about 1 millimeter away from the lash extension root. Sometimes I grab my fan and just help blow directly towards my eyes. Okay guys, so sometimes your eyes will be a bit watery if your fan is not blowing towards your eyes, but that's okay. Just make sure you grab your fan to help blow away the fumes. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is how it looks like up close and personal. I can brush out my lashes for you guys so you guys can see. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. I will make sure to get to every single one of them. And yeah, I hope you guys had a great holiday and Happy New Year. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!